How to create a Grindr account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a Grindr account. So let's start. First of all, download the app from the respective store and open it. After you open the Grindr app, you'll come to an interface like this. Now in order to create a Grindr account, you'll find the sign up option on the top right. Tap on it. Then after tap on next when it shows the terms of service, and then tap on accept. Furthermore, tap on next on the privacy policy and accept it as well. After that, the first information that you have to enter is your birthday. So make sure to enter your correct birthday or a birthday which shows your actual age. After that, tap on next. Now you can either manually create your account or you can simply continue with Facebook or Google. It is easier to continue with the later options such as Facebook and Google. In case you want to create a manual account, you can simply enter the email address and password and then confirm the password and then tap on create account. For now, let's tap on Google. After that, select the email address that you want to use to create the Grindr account. Then it will show you a screen like this. Tap on continue. Furthermore, scroll below and tap on allow. After you use your email address, the first thing that you have to do is upload a photo. Then after, you can edit the display name and then choose the other preferences such as showing age and gender. First of all, upload a photo of yours. After you upload the photo, you can select the gender. Then after, tap on save. As you do that, you will have to accept some preferences and terms and conditions. Tap on continue or accept them. After that, your profile or Grindr account will be successfully created. So in this way, you can easily create a Grindr account or sign up on Grindr. That's it for the video. Subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.